Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Part 1 of 10. Question number 1. What tense do we use to talk about things you do every day, like a habit? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. daily. She drinks coffee every morning. They go to school 5 days a week. He brushes his teeth twice a day. We eat dinner at 6 p.m. Question number 2. If you want to talk about facts that are always true, what tense should you use? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Birds fly. Fish live in water. The earth revolves around the sun. Question number 3. What tense describes things that happen regularly or often? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. She often visits her grandmother. I usually walk to work. They sometimes go to the beach. He rarely eats fast food. We always try our best. Question number 4. When talking about schedules or timetables, like for a bus or a movie, what tense is common? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. The train leaves at 8 a.m. The movie starts at 7:30 p.m. Our class finishes at 3 p.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. The flight departs at noon. Question number 5. What tense do you use for general opinions or beliefs? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. I think it's a good idea. She believes in hard work. They agree with the plan. He knows the answer. We understand the problem. Question number 6. What tense describes something that never happens? Answer, simple present tense, using never. Examples. It never snows here. I never forget my keys. He never arrives late. She never tells lies. They never argue. Question number 7. If you are talking about someone's job or profession, what tense is usually used? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. He is a doctor. She teaches English. They build houses. I write articles. He drives a taxi. Question number 8. What tense do you use for giving instructions or directions? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. Open your book to page 10. First, add the flour. Turn left at the corner. Press the red button. Mix well. Question number 9. What tense expresses a state of being or a feeling that is generally true? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. I am happy. She loves chocolate. He feels tired. They have a big house. It looks beautiful. Question number 10. What tense is used in sports commentary or storytelling to make actions feel immediate? Answer, simple present tense. Examples. He passes the ball, and he shoots. The hero enters the cave and sees the dragon. The runner crosses the finish line. The cat jumps onto the table. She opens the door and smiles. Like, comment and subscribe.